Hey y'all, it's your girl, the Nerdsy, aka Zakia, and I'm coming back to you with a whole new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little house tour or apartment tour of my current space that I am in, and I'm just gonna give you a little rundown of everything. So I recently moved into here, started packing or unpacking things in here, and I haven't actually got fully adjusted and everything, so it's just gonna be a really quick video of everything that I have been doing, what I have already set up. As you guys can see, you're in my bedroom right now. Literally just came back from Toronto and have been trying to figure everything out, what my ideas are for the space, how I'm going to use the space, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you want to see more videos like this and more content like this, definitely hit the subscribe button and you'll see more content every week. So yeah, let's get into the apartment tour. This is my washer and dryer. It is a 2-in-1, which is amazing, love it. These are all my cabinets, as you guys can see. It's a basic cabinet setup. I already have some of my things stacked in here. So, for example, my spices, my rice, all these other stuff. I have a little setup here where it has like my wine. Right now I don't have a dish rack, so I've been really using paper towel to like dry all my stuff, and that's it. Then can't go wrong, because I am a coffee drinker. I have my Keurig, my coffee, my knife set, my utensils, plus my Google Home, and I have my stove over here. And this one, I have more of my tools that I use. And on the top, as you guys can see, it has all my devices and everything, because I do cook. And if you guys are watching me on my vlog series, then you know that I have like at least one meal every single vlog that I create. And then up here I have my dishes, and I know it's just me, but you can never go wrong with dishes. I actually have to pick up a set from my mom, and they've been there for the longest while, and every time I come down I forget them. I'm sorry, Mom. And then I just have my fridge. Now how everything is set up right now, it's not concrete, it's just for right now, because there still needs to be work on the apartment. So yeah, the little pile that you see of like things like this is just like from unpacking of certain things. Some of the stuff are boxes of items, like, you know, the kettle, the toaster, etc, etc. Okay, so let's get into, so that's my kitchen. Let's get into my bedroom. Actually, let's do my bedroom for last. So with my bathroom, it is a little bathroom. It's not that big at all. It came with the mirror. As you guys can see, the mirror does need to get updated. Also, it needs to get cleaned, which I'm going to clean. I have my toothpaste and stuff over here. I have my cream there. I usually light a candle here on top of the toilet. And then I have in my little cabinets my vitamins and my lady things, you know. I know a lot of vitamins anyway. But also what comes with the washroom is a closet. And this closet is so cute and so tiny, but it is like the perfect fit for everything. I have a hamper in here, so it's for dirty clothes. Every time I finish washing, for towels, all that stuff, they go into that hamper. And then I literally just replaced the shower curtains with these hanging rods. I got a vinyl shower curtain in black, and as well as the liner. And this bathtub is amazing. Like, ooh, what I mean, it keeps and retains all the moisture, so you don't feel hot. Like, not hot, you don't feel cold whenever you're having a shower, which is amazing. And I just enjoy it so much, like so much. Okay, So yeah, that's my washroom. So as you guys can see, this is the living room in here. I'm at the far side of the room and it kind of looks a little short right now, but it is bigger in real life. And as you guys can see, I have some paintings and some art leaning across here, so I can put on my walls. I also have a plant here because, you know, I'm working on being a plant mom. And planting is something, and gardening is something that I'm trying to work towards, especially as a young woman. It's actually really good to do, but planting altogether is really good. Being able to harvest your own food, create, be one with Mother Nature, all that good stuff. And then I have a little stand. I bought this from Value Village. It's a little artistic piece, and the stand was supposed to be a nightstand so I can get a lamp and put it for my couch, which I'm gonna be either placing here, otherwise, who knows, closet. It's kind of like a walk-in closet. Essentially, it's like this, and right now I just have my winter stuff and more of my clothes and my luggages really in here. Okay, so that's what I have here. Okay, so welcome to my bedroom. I mean, it's very tiny, but it's great. It's like 10 by 10, which is actually maybe a little bit more than that. Probably like 10 by 12. Yes, and it comes with a closet. So that's one of the things that I didn't have in my room with my mom and my mom's place. Didn't have a closet. I think the last time I ever had a closet in my room, I was probably like 16. So that was the last time I ever had one. And so for this room, I have my bed, as you guys can see. Went with a simple little gray theme decor because the walls are a slight gray. They're like a blue gray kind of color, as well as some of the furnishing and everything like that. Like the lamp, for example, is gray. So I kind of felt like it would be really great if it was gray consistently across the board. So this is what my bed sheets were. Framed from that, I have side tables. As you guys can see, these little side tables. I actually just got these from Walmart. Same with everything actually in this room. It has been purchased from Walmart. Literally all my furniture from Walmart. I would love to say that Walmart is sponsoring one day. Would love to say Walmart is sponsoring my space or a room in my space, but like, yeah, we'll get there eventually. But no, Walmart is not paying me to advertise or to give a little rating or, you know, anything about their products, but just letting you guys know this is how it looks. Simple, sleek, but yeah, this is what it is. So I got this little 4-foot mirror here, and this is also was purchased from Walmart. It has a stand, so it's an easel mirror, so it has a little stand behind in the back there, so you can see. But I do plan on getting a bigger mirror because I would love to get the same type of I think it was a 6-foot leaner mirror in my home back in Toronto. So I would like to get that. Then in addition to it, I also have my closet. So as I said, my closet's a little closet. It's not, I haven't unpacked anything or everything in there. Right now I just have a purse and a few jackets, and a bit of my clothes are just scattered at the bottom. I don't have a drawer, and that's something I plan on getting. I have my watches up here, and that's it. And some socks in the back. And then as you guys can see, I have my TV. TV is right here, so this is where I would put the drawer. I'll get a nice white piece or a gray piece drawer, and then put the TV and mount it above. And then that's it for my bedroom. I hope you guys enjoyed the apartment tour. I definitely will be giving you an updated version of it when everything is actually finished and put in and everything's looking good, and it's actually to the desired look that I'm and aesthetic that I'm trying to go for. So right now, I hope you guys enjoyed a little piece of something. At least you guys get to see what housing looks like in Timmins and what to expect. If you want to learn a little bit more about some of the units available here in Timmins, I definitely will put some of the information about my unit here in the description below. And if you have any more questions about Timmins and what it is in the north and how it's like and what to expect or experience up here, definitely put the questions in the comments below, and I will feel free to answer all the questions because I look forward to all this. And if you have any questions, comments, anything like that, just definitely shoot me them in my inbox or in my comments below. And yeah, I'll get back to you with a new video.